Hello, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to learn about arc and chord properties of circles. Here you are going to learn a theorem and its converse theorem. Only one theorem is there and also its converse. For that you must know the axiom of that. What is that is, in equal circles or in the same circle, if two arcs subtend equal angles at the centers, then they are equal. That means, here these are the two circles with center O and O dash. Okay? So, in these two equal circles, two arcs, here arc AB, here arc PQ, subtend equal angles at the center. That is, angle AOB is equal to angle PO dash Q. If the two angles, if two arcs subtend equal angles at the centers of two equal circles, then they are equal. That means the arcs are equal. Or in the same circle, if two arcs subtend equal angles at the center, then also the arcs are equal. That is the axiom you must know. And converse of this, that is, if in two equal circles, if two arcs are equal, that means if arc AB is equal to arc PQ, then they subtend equal angles at the centers. Angle AOB is equal to angle PO dash Q. These are the two circles with center O and O dash, two equal circles. Here arc AB is subtending angle AOB, arc PQ is subtending angle PO dash Q. If arc AB is equal to arc PQ, then angle AOB is equal to angle PO dash Q. That means, what did you understand from this means? If two arcs subtend equal angles at the center, they are equal. If two angles in the centers are equal, the arcs are equal. And if two arcs are equal, then they subtend equal angles at the centers. This you must know before going through the theorem which you are going to learn now. The theorem you are going to learn. So your theorem is, in equal circles or in the same circle, equal chords cut off equal arcs. That means, what is given is, these are the two circles with center O and O dash. Let me give you AB and the PQ are the two chords, are the chords of equal circles with centers O and O dash respectively. That means AB is the chord of circle with center O, PQ is the chord of the circle with center O dash. And also it is given that AB is equal to PQ. Two chords are equal. And we have to prove that if two chords are equal, they cut off equal arcs. Arc AB is equal to arc PQ. That is the theorem. Let us prove. Very simple proof is this. We have to show that arc AB equal to arc PQ. For this, just now we have learned the axiom. If two arcs subtend equal angles at the centers, then the arcs are equal. Already we have learned. So let us make these two triangles congruent, and by CP/CTC let us show that angle AOB is equal to angle PO dash Q. Once these two are equal, arc AB will be equal to arc PQ. Okay? So, in triangle AOB and the triangle PO dash Q, OA is equal to O dash P because these two are equal circles. Okay? So, the radii are equal. Or we can write radii of equal circles. Okay? Equal circles means their radius are equal. Similarly, OB is equal to O dash Q because of the same reason. And AB is equal to PQ, that is given to us. So under SSS condition, these two triangles are congruent. So triangle AOB is congruent to triangle PO dash Q under SSS condition. And once two triangles are congruent, by CP/CTC, angle AOB is equal to angle PO dash Q, that is by CP/CTC. This implies arc AB is equal to arc PQ by the axiom which you have learnt. Okay? Because equal angles or two chords. So if two arcs subtend equal angles at the center, by the axiom we can write. By the axiom what you have learned. Okay. With this we can say that we have to prove this only. So arc AB equal to arc PQ, proved. That is what you have to do. And next what you are going to learn is converse of the theorem. What is the converse of the theorem? Here it is given that two chords, if two chords are equal, then the arcs are equal, you have learned. And now the converse of the theorem is, if two arcs are equal, then if arc AB is equal to arc PQ, chord AB is equal to chord PQ. That is converse of the theorem you are going to learn. So the converse of the previous theorem is, in equal circles or in the same circle, if two arcs are equal, if arc AB equal to arc PQ, then the chords are equal, chord AB equal to chord PQ. That we have to prove. So what is given here is, these are the two equal circles. Arc AB is equal to arc PQ, is equal to arc PQ of two equal circles. Of two equal circles. Or in two equal circles for centers, or with centers O and O dash. Okay. Any way you like, you can write. And we have to prove that chord AB is equal to chord PQ. For arc we can write the arc side, but only AB means we can know the line segment joining A and B, and PQ is this. So how to prove it? This is also very simple. Already given that arcs are equal. Arc AB is equal to arc PQ. That means angle AOB is equal to angle PO dash Q. Two equal arcs subtend equal angles at the centers. That is the axiom of equal arcs. By axiom, or you can write axiom of equal arcs. Now we can make, already we know these two angles are equal. So in triangle AOB and the triangle PO dash Q, OA is equal to O dash B, radii of equal circles. Radii of equal circles, just like previous theorem we have proved. Same way, OB is equal to O dash Q because of the same reason. But here we got angle AOB is equal to angle PO dash Q. Already we have shown now. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle PO dash Q under SAS condition. Under SAS condition, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, AB is equal to PQ, that is by CP/CTC. And this is what we have to prove, and it is proved. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.